If you plan to build wealth with real estate, you need to know what a 1031 exchange is. Here it goes. It's a way that you can defer paying taxes at the sale of an investment property. For example, let's say you bought a duplex for $500,000, and that duplex over time is now worth $700,000. That would be $200,000 of a profit. Well, if you sold that duplex and you did what's called a 1031 exchange, you are taking that profit and you're putting it into another property, meaning you sold the duplex and now let's say you're buying 4 units, a fourplex with it. Well, if you do that, you're able to defer the taxes, meaning you don't get to put that money in your bank account because you're reinvesting. The words that the IRS website have is you have to reinvest the proceeds, okay? So you're putting it now into another investment property. The other thing that the IRS says is it needs to be held for business or investment. So you have, of course, these 4 units are now for investment purposes as well. And let's compare if you were to have sold it regular and paid your taxes. Well, you bought it for $500,000, the duplex, you're selling it for $700,000. They're gonna look at what your tax basis is and they're gonna say, hey, you had a gain of this amount. Well, you have to pay capital gains on that gain. Instead of doing that, you can reinvest it. And if your plan is to continue to acquire real estate and you don't need that cash out, you can do the 1031 exchange, and it's a way that you can build and amass wealth. I want to keep it simple. I want to keep it nice and short, and I want to make sure these are topics that are of interest to you. So if you want to hear more about it, or if you have comments or questions, give us a like, leave a comment, and make sure to share this. Thanks so much, guys.